What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we still got this gorgeous S23 Ultra on deck in a graphite colorway, and we definitely still gonna be bringing them cases for this device. So today we got a case video. Shout out to the good folks over Poetic. They sent your boy out the Poetic Neon. The case for the S23 Ultra is a dual layer case, and we just gonna go ahead and get straight into it. So as you can see, this is the Poetic Neon, guys. Really cool looking case. It's got the matte finish on the back with the gloss. It's got the glossy orange trim around it, and it also has the glossy Poetic branding, which is a nice touch. I like those type of things on the case. Matte and gloss is definitely a good feel. So it's definitely protecting those cameras, guys. As you can see, it's protruding right around the camera bezel. We definitely need that bolstered up, because we got to protect those cameras. And on the sides, as you can peep, it's got some nice grips on the side. Grip is the best part of drop protection. We don't want to drop the phone in the first place. On the inside of the case, we got some webbing for that drop absorption, and we also got some military standard drop tested certification, and we also have some neon branding. We got a nice button press with some textures on the button, so you know which button you pressing, whether it's the volume rock or auto power button. And like I said, guys, I like how it's two materials on the side, adds that really nice grip. On the bottom, all cutouts are present. As you see, got the Type-C, S Pen, and the speaker. Now this case breaks down into two parts: TPU inner, polycarbonate outer. Really nice protective design. So this is definitely going to be one of those more protective cases than normal. So we got the device in the case, and as you can see, looks really good, nice and bolstered up around the cameras, how you should want your case to be. Really durable case, guys. Dual layer protection is definitely offered with this case, and I like how the trim goes around that camera ring. It looks really good. Sometimes I like it closed in, but I like the design and the trim that they got going on with this case. As you can see, nice raised lip protection. You want the case to actually hit the ground before the display of your device, so the case protrudes out and it's going to protect that display in the drop. And it's a nice fit in hand also. For the amount of protection that this case offers, it's not really that much bulk, but as you can see, nice big cutout for your S Pen. Can easily get that S Pen out, and I got big fingers, guys, so the average person should not have a problem getting that S Pen out of the device. But shout out to Poetic for sending out the Neon. It's a dope case, and I'll put a link down in the description. It's your boy BG. I'm out. Peace.